Hey peeps, hope you are doing good. From last few days, I was thinking to write a blog, but due to the jam-packed schedule, I was not getting any time. So I decided to make a vlog, as it is faster than writing a blog. So I was thinking about to write about respects, level of respects, which I have compartmentalized in 4 levels. The lowermost level being 0 and uppermost level being third, 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I'll tell you about those principles which I have developed, theory which I have developed, and how whom should we place on those compartments, so as to sort out our problems in our life. So I'll start with level 1. Level 1 is about respecting everybody, irrespective of his age, color, caste, religion, beliefs, and wealth, especially wealth. Because when we see somebody richer than us, we tend to think that you know we are some we are somewhere below him. That affects our confidence, right? But that's not the case. Never ever respect somebody on the basis of the wealth he has. Always, I'll come to that topic. Whom should we respect? But I'm talking this specifically. I'm talking about the stage 1 of respect. Who should deserve your stage 1 of respect, which is just above the 0 level. Everybody, a sweeper, a peon, everybody, a guard. Okay, even a rich man, a wealthy man, whom we don't know, he deserves stage 1 respect. The people you don't know actually, but they are normal people. Those people deserve stage 1 respect. A wealthier person doesn't mean he is better than you. Get it? Stage 2 respect is about respecting people on their basis of their deeds, which they commit, which is above ordinary, like charity, altruistic approaches, altruistic behavior. Our parents are teacher. What our parents are doing for us is obviously above ordinary. Nobody will else do that for us. So that person come in our stage 2 respect. And stage 3 is for someone who have done distinguished deeds, which is above extraordinary, who have distinguished thoughts, character, and his work. That person whom you idolize, from whom you take the inspiration, those persons come, in stage 3 level. For me, one of those persons is Sam Manekshaw. So let me know who's your stage 3 respected person. That would be interesting. And the 0 level hierarchy is the lowest level in our respected level, because it is for those people who have done heinous crimes or whose deeds are evil. Basically, it is for the evil people who have done deplorable, abhorrent crimes like murder, and more heinous than that, rape. So those people don't deserve any respect. So, and some of our acquaintances too are evil, no doubt, are evil. So you are free to not respect them, but I want to make it clear that not respecting and disrespecting are two different things. You are free to not respect somebody, but don't disrespect them. It is wrong to disrespect somebody. So until and unless you want to punch them on their face, because sometimes situations like that arrive in our, we all know that life is not idealistic, it is not a utopian. So there are situations like that. okay, that's okay. But try to be respectful. Use words like please, okay, thank you more often. So that will solve our lives, many problems of our life. So I think let's call it a day. Let me know how do you like this vlog. Catch ya. Peace out.